Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is terrible lighting. Okay, actually I'm going to fix this. Is that better? No. Oh, I do not like this lighting at all. Thing is, I could face it towards the window, but I don't want you to see my wardrobe because it's a bit messy right now. And I thought this tapestry is quite nice. But maybe if I go closer, maybe like that. Okay guys, is that better? I don't know. So I know I haven't done a video for like 3 months, but it's just I've been busy summering and now I'm at uni, and I just thought it'd be a good chance to do another video now because it's been about a month since I've been at uni, and because today's the 15th of October and I moved into my accommodation on the 14th of September, and it's honestly gone quite quickly, to be fair. Sorry if I keep playing with my hair or whatever. I just look, I don't know, I look a bit shit right now, but it's alright. So yeah, I just thought I'd share my uni experience with everyone in case anyone was interested. So I'm 19. I took a gap year out in America, and I'm studying at Canterbury Christ Church University. And if you want to know like the background, I could do a separate video on this, to be fair, but I applied to UCAS very late. I applied June 20th or 22nd or something, and I got it in like June 26th or 27th. I sent my application in, and it was all very rushed. I'll probably do maybe a separate video on like how I got in, blah blah blah, or like my before university type thing, because I originally wanted to do college, blah 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 blah. And so yeah, I got in. I got an unconditional, but I feel like everyone got an unconditional for this place, so it's alright. But yeah, I moved in on September 14th into my accommodation, and I could probably do a video on my like a room tour or something, or like what my accommodation is like. But this is just gonna be like my experience 1 month in. So my boyfriend went to Leeds Beckett University, so actually he helped me move in along with my dad. So actually during Freshers Week I didn't actually go out that much. Like I went out maybe like 2 times, and I went back home to his about 3 nights out of the whole Freshers Week. So I really didn't have like go out that much, but it was nice to be able to like visit him, blah blah blah. And but the times that I did go out, I went to the big Freshers icebreaker thing, which like everyone was going to, and like you know, like the Facebook group chats before Messenger and stuff, like everyone's like, oh, have you got your tickets, blah blah blah. So I did that, and then it was so packed. I don't know if you know, but Club Chem is like the one that lots of like the big events happen at. So I went there. It was so packed, it was so hot, so sweaty, but I think I honestly can't remember it that much, to be fair, but I think it was quite good. Honestly don't remember. But yeah, and then so he stayed round sometimes, and I've got a single bed, so like you can imagine that, like it was a bit hot. I was like, oh. But it was good, it was fun, and I got to see my best friend because she goes to the other uni. And then so I don't know what I'm saying anymore. But yeah, basically in the first week Freshers I didn't go out that much, and then I registered like the next day. That was a bit stressful because my student finance hadn't come in yet, so I got like a red pending thing on my sheet. And then the next week I started lectures, but it was just an introductory type thing. It's like, hi, I'm blah blah blah, I'll be teaching you. hi, I'm a librarian, hi, blah 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 this, and like, so okay, on the first day we were in like, we all got grouped into a little room, and I met up with this girl before who was commuting, so I met her like outside of my accommodation, and then we walked together, which is I think was really helped me, because I probably would have got lost and then I would have like cried to myself to sleep and then just quit uni. No, I'm joking, but it helped me because I felt more comfortable. We had each other, and then we sat in the room together, and then we made this friend with this boy, and then we went to lunch, and then we made another friends with this another boy, and then this other lady came, and we all sat down for like lunch in the canteen. It was quite nice, we got to know each other, and then we went back to more lectures, more introductory things. I can't really remember it that much, and it's only a month ago. That's really bad, isn't it? And then so I think that whole week was like an introductory lection, like how to find the rooms, setting you up on the computer, like getting set up to the Wi-Fi, and like all that kind of stuff, like that everyone needs to know because it's quite useful, like printing, showing around the library, and yeah, basically where my accommodation is at, it's quite nice. I'm only 5 minutes away from the library and about 15 minutes to the actual uni, so it's not too bad. And then what's it called, what am I saying again? Okay, I think because I'm so full, I just had a full like vegetarian English breakfast. I'm so full, I just can't move, but it's alright. I don't know if you can see my like food baby. Oh my god, stop. So yeah, basically I think the second week it was still introductory, like making new friends, like I don't know, like you always think like, oh my god, am I gonna make friends, like blah blah blah, are people gonna think I'm weird or like etc, but everyone's literally in the same boat, so it was quite easy to make friends. Like just say hi, like what's your name, what course you're studying. That's what I think, those are the like conversations you'll be having probably like throughout the whole year though. It's just like, so what's your name, what course you're studying, how old are you, where do you live. Not like I'm gonna like, no, not stalking, but I mean like, oh, what accommodation you in, like, oh, maybe you're in the same one, I don't know. But for me, I'm doing graphic design with foundation year. I probably should have said that at the beginning. I'm doing graphic design foundation year, and it's interesting, like the class, because actually I feel like I'm one of the younger ones, because I thought I'd be a bit older. I know I'm only a year older, but I thought I'd be a bit older. But actually there's lots of like mums, there's older people, like a lot of my friends are like in 22, 20, like they're a bit older, whereas like first years I feel like it's nearly all 18, 19, 20 type thing. So for me, it was course wise it was more difficult to because I'm used to a girls' grammar school, so I had all girl friends, and here I don't know, I just haven't clicked with any of the girls on my course, which is a bit weird, but I feel like either they're shy or they've already made their groups. So actually more of the boys were chatty, so I've got a nice group of friends from my course, and then I've got my flatmate who I love, and then I've got my best friend Katie, I've got Megan, I've got loads of people. And like also when you go out you make friends, like I think I went out and then I made this friend, and then they've got friends, and then you just like end up meeting everyone, which is quite nice. And like you end up in someone's flat who you don't even know, but like it's part of the uni experience, I think. So I think I'm getting really off topic though, like what was I chatting about? I don't actually remember. But yeah, so far 1 month in, but so far it's still introductory course. We started doing a bit more because I'm on the foundation course. We're learning about life and study, like libraries, like how to study, what are universities for, and like only recently we've been doing graphic design thing, like creating a flag, creating like a micronation and everything. So it's different to what I thought. Like I thought I'd be doing graphic design but just easier, but it's included life and study, understanding arts and humanities. Like in my course I'm in the arts and humanities or digital medias thing, so in some places I'm with people who are doing history, archaeology, film studies, English, games production, photography, all these people. So I'm not in just with my graphic design people. Like I think my graphic design thing is about like 6-7 people, so it's quite small, and I only just recently found like people in my course. Like before I was with all different kinds of people. So actually there's so much to talk about. I should have wrote like a list of what I want to say because I'm gonna forget it all. It's been alright. So like I've made a good group of friends. I've joined pole fitness club, which I was really scared to do because I didn't know anyone, but I was just like, I'll push myself, whatever. So I joined that, met a really nice group of girls, and it's really actually quite fun, the pole fitness. It's only once a week for an hour, and then they've got socials on Wednesdays. So they do the like classes on Tuesdays. I go to the 8:30, 9:30 one, and then Wednesdays is socials, so there's different themes. So the first one I went to was like farms, and I dressed up as a cow, and it was really nice. I got to know some of the people. We played games, we did drinking games, and then we went out to the club after, and I met like a lot of new people, which was really nice. And then recently, about 2 weeks ago or a week ago, I got a job at Primark. So because my student finance hadn't come in until like 2 weeks ago, and I was like panicking a bit, but I still, my maintenance loan doesn't even cover my accommodation. Like I'm getting like 4.1 and my accommodation's like 5.1, so it's a bit but that's why I got the job. Was really happy. I'm doing Monday to Friday 4 to 8. So before that I felt like I was a bit lost, like I had so much time on my hands. I was just like, I don't know what to do. And now I feel like I've got no time because I've got uni from 11 till 3, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday 4 to 8, and then I've got pole 8:30 to 9:30 on Tuesday, and then socials on a Wednesday like at 7:30, but I can only come after work. And then like usually like Thursdays I want to go out, and like Fridays I want to go out. Saturday and Sunday is the only days where I feel like I've got time to myself because I'm off work, I'm off uni, so I'll try and get stuff done. But usually it's like you got to go food shopping, I join the gym, you got tidy room, cooking, which I really like cooking, and that takes up a lot of time. You got to clean up, blah blah blah. Just like hanging out with your flatmates. Actually I've only got one, but like I still like to hang out with her. Just like getting bits and bobs, like I'll go to the shops to get some plates, or I'll go to the shops and get some extra bits. So I'm finding I don't really have much time for stuff, and like so far we've done our like portfolio of like arts and humanities, like writing like paragraphs, essays type things on that, and I'm just lost for time, so that's why I haven't had the chance to make a video yet. But this video is gonna be so long and it's gonna be so random. But yeah, basically I'm happy with like the friends I made. I'm happy with my room, even though it's my third choice accommodation, and the facilities, like the library is nice. It stays open till 1 AM I think, and I get access to the Mac computers because I'm doing a art subject, and then So far the weather's been a bit like crap though, like it's been raining all the time, which is annoying, like because Canterbury Christ Church is a city uni, it's all very close together, so you don't have to get any public transport like my boyfriend does, but I just walk everywhere, so I am a bit like for winter, like could be like trekking around like in my little shorts for pole fitness, like but yeah, so far it's been pretty good. Nightlife's good. There's like, we have Cuban, chemistry, Tokyo, loft, ballroom, but so far I think I've enjoyed chem. I think I enjoy chem because I live like a minute away, 30 seconds away from there, so it means I can come back pre-drink at home, don't have to pay for any drinks in the club, and then I don't have to pay for taxi, I don't have to walk anywhere after, so I know I'll get home safe, like it doesn't matter if I'm by myself type thing, which is nice. But yeah, I don't know what else to say now, I'm gonna forget. Like, put down in the comments below what you want to see, or if you have any questions, because I'm like happy to answer them. So far it's been a month and I feel like I'm crazy quick. Like I also did try out for cheerleading, did not go to plan, but I also wanted to join like lacrosse or like volleyball, but lacrosse I just didn't go to the taster session, and volleyball it clashed with work. But do you know what, the good thing about having work during the week is I've got my weekends off, so I'm gonna see my boyfriend soon, like in 10 days, and because uni, I have more days off than I go to uni basically, because Monday, Saturday, Sunday, no, I should say Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday I've got off, but then I've got work Monday and Friday 4 to 8, which I know it's only 4 hours, but I don't know, it's awkward times I guess. But yeah, so far it's been pretty good. Because I'm doing foundation year, I feel like I've got less pressure on me as well, and next year I'll be a fresher as well, so do it all over again. But I don't know, I'm happy that I did go to uni and I did push myself instead of just going to college, because you meet loads of new people. I've joined the pole fitness club, I've got a job, I don't know, I've joined the gym, except I've only gone once so far, don't at me. But yeah, and I'm really enjoying decorating my room actually, and like getting little bits. I love cooking for myself, like I feel like I'm an independent person, and I don't know, I'm just enjoying, like I don't miss home at all. The only thing is I miss my boyfriend, but yeah, that's about it. So basically, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to me, and comment down below anything you want to see. I'm not sure, I'm on my spinny chair, it's probably really annoying, but my hair's growing really long actually, like really long. I look like a Rapunzel. But yeah, so thanks for watching, I'll see you in my next video, and bye.